Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a copy of a document in the Google Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up Google Drive. And here it opens up in the suggested tab. From here, we just have to find the document and tap on the three dots next to its name. And then here, if you scroll down, we find send a copy. You can tap on this, and then the app is going to load. And here we can just copy the link to the document, and then send the copy to whoever you want to. As you can see, after you tap on this, there's going to be a pop-up suggesting different kinds of apps to send this copy with, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.